purpose.
So I say that we have a common intention, and the intention is to have here a living school, not just. It's even more complicated because we have also a place and economy that we have to have a living economy that we have to.
You can come.
It's part of the deal. And a school. And the school is it's called the school of learning. The person learn not himself, me, Shuli, but learning how we operate, how we think, to learn ourselves, that's it. But not ourselves in a sense of the psychology, the personal psychology. This is a part, it happens on the way. But to understand the human being, let's say the first step would have to be seeing the disturbances, so to speak, the things that prevent me from, I say it now in big words, living the joy of life, so to speak. Living life, you know? What is between me and life? My mind, my thoughts, myself, you know, what will you think of me now? What other people will think of what I say? You know, all these foolish things disturb all the time the free flow. So this would be the first thing that one has to tackle. But this is not, to my mind, the reason that I'm here. This is not the aim. This is not the end. Not just the dimensions that we live anyway in, that we live every day, but to connect to other dimension, I'd say, of our existence, of life, of what's going on really here, you know? And I thought I'd like to finish my life experiencing the wonder of life, being optimistic in that sense.
Special way here.
I think that the special way that we are doing it here is that we are doing it in a way together, but it's not that we do, each one has his own journey, but we are doing it in everyday life, not just by meditating and sitting or by talking, but by doing our daily work in life. In that, this is.
And do you have a special methods how to do it, how you do it in everyday life?
I don't think, I can't say that we have methods, but I say that we have, that the school, in what sense it is a school, it has conditions, different conditions that change all the time. For instance, getting up, being here at 5:15 or 4:45 or 5 is something that takes one out of his comfort zone, right? It's much nicer to sleep. And this is just a very small, there are many things that come to me here in everyday life. For instance, now I work here and not there. I'm responsible on the vineyard, but they tell me to go elsewhere.
Who are they?
There's always, okay, when we had our master, so we had the master, but now we have people who doing the worksheet and, of every day and so on. So, or something else, someone asks me, to work now with volunteers, the people who now, like now we have people who change all the time that run the place. I come here to join. I come here to say yes, you know? I can say no. But if saying no, and this is my life, normal life. Here I come to say yes, first of all, and to join to what there is, not to what I feel like and this. And the idea is not Sparta. The idea is out of my comfort zone, because then I can see things. I can see things about myself.
2 questions. School comes from the word scale in Greek, as I know at least. So do you have a scale? Like you said me first step, and you kind of pointed last step. So do you have a scale in between, and kind of criteria of this scale?
No, we only have, no, I don't think, no. I think, no.